Good morning, AP Biology Online students, Spring Lake Park High School. It is October 25th, 2021, and we are over halfway through this trimester. You're doing good, team. Keep it up. We got a lot going on. You're crushing it. We have another test coming up, not this Friday, but next Thursday and Friday. Keep that in the back of your mind. I'll remind you as things continue. All right. So for today, the first thing I need you all to do is please turn in your catalase enzyme lab, okay? This is under week 2, and I moved the catalase enzyme activity over to week 2, so you had that for a reference, all right? Please make sure you turn that in. That's kind of the biggest thing today. Make sure you get that turned in. Then we also have the photosynthesis worksheet here. Pretty casual. Just go through the notes, fill out the worksheet, and go through that. So that's all we're doing today in class. I am also going to review cellular respiration just a little bit to talk about how the sketchnoting assignment went, to see if you liked it, to see if you remember how things work and stuff like that. So it's a good tool to use to study too. Okay, so that's the primary thing we're doing today is the photosynthesis worksheet. All right, a couple announcements about the homework that was due over break, okay? Highly recommended that you are done with the reading guide, okay? I will get the reading guide posted probably tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'll have time tonight. I'm going to look for a new car. Ooh. Hopefully I'll have the key for the reading guide posted and that'll be good to go. Digestion multiple choice and enzyme multiple choice, these are practices. So do them, and we'll have a vocabulary quiz on Friday involving like digestion and enzymes, okay? The pivot here will be due on October 31st, so that's this Sunday. I know it's Halloween, and I know you all want to go trick-or-treating. I'm going to dress up as Paul Simon and have a little saxophone going on. If you've never seen You Can Call Me Al, the music video, throwback, it's a good one. Okay. And then I already talked about the cellular respiration sketch note. It's a new tool I want to try out, sketchnoting. It's essentially just adding kind of like cartoons to your notes to help you remember a little bit better, adding words and all that stuff. So it's a good tool to help you study for the test. Highly recommend you do a sketch note for the cellular respiration processes and the photosynthesis processes. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you think. And I'd love to see what your sketch notes look like. So, yeah. All right. I think that is everything. Okay. If you have any questions about the lab, the catalase enzyme lab, before you turn it in, please shoot me a Schoology message. I do have conferences after school for a little bit, so I don't know if I'll be able to see them immediately after school. I'll try and check like right after 6th hour to see if anything's popped up there. Actually, maybe during 6th hour I can do that. We'll see. Okay. I don't know. I gotta make these videos more interesting for CHOM. What did I do over break? I went for a hike. Did I do anything pumpkin-y for Halloween? I really didn't do anything pumpkin-y for Halloween. I've been playing a lot of chess. I know I've talked to Ben a little bit about chess club a little bit, but I'm not very good at it. I stink. Terrible at it. But I had a lot of fun this break, and I hope you all did too. If you want to share, just send me a message in Schoology, or I can open up something on Schoology too. But have a wonderful week, everyone. We are off to a good start. Good morning, everyone. Hello, yes. We're off to a good start. So, hope you had a good break. CHOM, what's my rating at? I hope I'm above 4 right now. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Peace out.